It's Christmas time in the city. Welcome. My name is Natalie Usman. I'm the Chief Operating Officer here at Curve. In this role, I take care of all of our employees, make sure that we're working towards the right goals together, work through all of our marketing plans, work through ways to get into new markets and attract new customers. I've joined Curve 2.5 months ago on October 1st. It's been incredibly exciting, a great journey, really great to be part of the Fintech environment.
Buongiorno da Londra, oggi sono negli uffici di Curve, una startup fintech che vale più di 250 milioni di dollari. Come avete visto dal titolo, oggi facciamo un giro della loro startup. Tra l'altro ringrazio tantissimo Charlie, la persona qui a fianco, perché mi ha permesso in tutti i modi di fare questo giro. È veramente figo questo ufficio. Poi tra l'altro alla fine di questo video ci sarà anche qualche intervista dove vedrete realmente cosa fanno e cosa stanno facendo. Comunque, se volete approfondire il loro servizio, qui sotto in descrizione vi lascio il link al video dove faccio la recensione alla loro carta gratuita. Oltretutto, se la volete provare, vi lascio il mio codice RICCA tramite il quale potete avere 5 euro gratis. Comunque trovate tutte le informazioni in descrizione, ma detto questo direi che possiamo passare al tour dei loro uffici.
Hi guys, welcome to Curve. These are our offices. Come through with us and we'll give you a bit of a tour. Cool.
Yeah. Thanks.
Good.
Not Tracy.
Filming.
Right, I think we get that.
Cool. This is floor 2 of our offices. We moved here in November last year when we were 50 people. We're now 208 employees in this office. We've got this floor and then downstairs as well. We'll take you through and show you the teams. Cool. So over here, there's a few people missing because it's Christmas time, but we've got the talent team in the corner, legal team, also not so many staff there right now, but that's kind of what we have here. Shared office space. Obviously it's Christmas time, so you can see some presents over in the corner. Coming through, this is where the finance teams sit over here. Not many people at their desks, but and business development, the team where I work, is over in the corner. There's Joe and Matt sitting down at work.
Like a moustache. Hi, I'm Matt. I head up the business development here at Curve. I've been here for just over 3.5 years. Joined the company when we were about 8 people, and now we're just shy of 200. So extremely exciting. What I'd say in terms of the most exciting things about the company is working on game-changing features that we're trying to bring to market and change the way in which people deal with their money. In terms of the most challenging, it's continuously innovating and really trying to make the best possible user experience.
We'll keep coming around. And stretching all the way back here is our customer support team. So there's another 30 of them in Bristol, but this is where it's headed up. You can see this is the people that answer all your queries, questions, and if anything goes wrong with your card, this is where it gets sorted. So yeah, keep coming through. Cool, so we've just got more meeting rooms through here. And then this is John, head of operations. We'll keep taking you through it. So you can see on the wall we've got themed names for each meeting room. This is called Necker Island. This is where our CEO mainly hangs out. You can peer over through the window, the glass window, and see some stuff up on the wall, some skateboards. But yeah, a bit of a rebel brand. So this is where Shahar hangs out, the CEO. So you can find him here in his spare time. This is our kitchen. Everyone eats here in the day. Pretty self-explanatory. Fridges, coffee, Cokes, all of that jazz in here. Yeah, we know that. Yeah, we're good. This is Joe from Business Development. She's saying be careful of the screens, making sure there's no sensitive information, but we're good. So we'll take you back downstairs if you want.
When did everything start with Curve?
So Curve was founded in 2016. It's been going for some time. But we only launched out of beta last year. So we launched to consumers in February last year. And since then, we're now 850,000 customers strong, I think. Wow. So up a couple 100,000 from our crowdfunding round a few months back. So growing quite quickly. We'll take you downstairs and finish the tour.
What do you think about this thing? Is the first time?
First time on camera? And something like this? Yeah. I've been on camera a couple times, but not
Embarrassing?
Not just me.
You will be famous.
Yeah, so this is where everything product related happens with the business. All of our engineers sit from just over there to over here. So they're the guys that actually build the product and maintain it and keep it in action. We can take you around the corner quickly as well. So we've got our marketing and design team and brand and comms as well over here. You can see all of these are swag packs going out to investors from our crowdfunding round. There's 2,700 of them going out, so it's been a big process getting them together. These guys have been a lot of presents, yeah. Hopefully all out in time for Christmas. But yeah, the last one's being finished now over in the corner. So yeah, we'll continue through. Just got more meeting rooms through here. This is the sprint team in here working on features. Have to be careful what's shown and what's not in there, but yeah, these guys are working to get a product update shipped in time and to a tight deadline. So you can see they're all locked into the meeting room over the next few days, just working hard to get something done. Pretty cool. Yeah. Ciao Italia. So down here, we've got the data team. There's Ben, who heads up the data science team. And these guys stretch all the way back here, so they crunch the numbers. Financial fraud as well over here, which makes sure nothing naughty is happening on the cards. Yeah, and then IT down the back as well, and it's all hardware things inside the business. But that's us. Cool. Cool.
Spero che questo tour sia stato interessante, se così fosse lasciate un mi piace, poi oltretutto se avete qualsiasi domanda su Curve lasciatemele tutte qui sotto nei commenti perché potrei fare un'intervista al loro CEO. Detto questo, se non volete perdervi nessun altro video iscrivetevi al canale e noi ci vediamo alla prossima avventura. Ciao a tutti!